In a serene forest village, a playful young monkey named Momo cherishes his carefree life among the trees and his animal friends. One fateful day, the ground trembles violently, causing widespread chaos as an earthquake devastates their homes and the lush foliage surrounding them. As the dust settles, Momo realizes the gravity of their situation. The forest is in ruins, and many of his friends are trapped or injured. Determined to restore their home, Momo rallies the animals, including a